Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. Let's talk about the plan for tomorrow. Nifty spent most of the day in a very narrow range today and close with normal variation day, like slightly close above the initial balance high here. So like post open range, we can see here clear sign of missing liquidity and cross asset signal are not aligned yet. So we still don't have a clear or clean directional read today for tomorrow's plan. So unless we see a decisive move about 25,849 and 25,006 like 2690 area, so we should not expect any follow through. Okay, now another reading right now, that is India VIX and the IV, both are sitting at the lows from last 1 year almost, right? In between there are a lot of volatility and wider move inside the same balance as I already discussed. So this is not the typical behavior of a strong initiative player. Okay, so whenever big hand want to push the market beyond the balance, they don't give this much time or comfort to the retail participant. Okay, and you can check any chart, any segment, any script, and try to see how this structure work with the psychological aspect and the participation. Okay, otherwise it's mostly like a bluff plays with low conviction. Okay, I'm watching the same bond market closely. Even a small shift there can be like a new guidance for the next leg. In options, I will track the same strike 25,600. See here, still stuck below 458, no follow through. So in next section we will see how the price open and behave above this zone, and rest reference will be same as mentioned on the chart. In 26,200 put is still holding 200 area with this closing. So if price open below this and we see any strong short build up into the opening, or the quantity of the long unwinding if high, then we can expect a tag of 46 on the expiry session, है ना? This one is one of the possibility. So some light long unwind is visible here into the closing here, but no side is in like full control. We cannot make a decision on that. So if we get a 100-point gap up, so my reference will shift to like a higher strike of 26,400 put above the spot price of 2690, for the expiry tracking. For intraday improvisation, I will watch the call side can be like 25,800 call. Okay, and with the opening, like we open very flat 26,050 or 26,000 or 950 something around, then writer seems to be controlling the weekly expiry again with a slow auction. Okay, so ATM strike like 26,000 CEP, and or even like 26,100 call and the put, so could be dominant as the opening auction develop. So these are my observation for tomorrow, and trade the context, ignore the noise, guys.